This is day 7 of speaking in front of camera. It's already a week, 1 week, and we successfully passed the 1 week without any distraction, and we have 3 weeks left. Yeah, it's really cool, and I'm starting to feeling comfortable in front of camera. Yeah, I'm learning it, and it's such a good feeling. Yeah, tomorrow I have a race day. It's a 3.8 kilometer uh, race day contest, and I'm gonna run. Yeah, I think I will try to run under 17 minutes. Yeah, I will try, and I thought it would be cool to share my process of training, since I'm training for marathon and we have 3 weeks left. Oh damn! By the time I end this series, I might be participating marathon. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, I'm learning. I hope you guys are learning something. Yeah. Goodbye.